Okay, we have an M271 engine, and we're changing the oil cooler on the M271 engine. Taking out the old cooler. Here's the new oil cooler, and this is the upgraded one. That one is plastic, this is aluminum. And to loose the oil cooler on the M271 engine, you have to remove the intake manifold. You have to remove the starter from underneath. And once you remove the starter from underneath, you remove the bolts for the oil cooler. You can see the coolant is mixing. That's the pan down there. See, the coolant is mixing with the oil. That's the reason why we're changing the oil cooler on this vehicle. Okay, we're back. Okay, this is the old oil cooler for the M271 engine. You can see the seal is busted. We could have just seen the gasket, but we prefer to do an upgrade on the cooler with the aluminum one. It comes with a new gasket. So we're gonna clean down there up. Then we're gonna install the new oil cooler. Okay, we already installed the new oil cooler. Now what we're doing is changing the timing chain and the actuators. Timing chain and the actuators. We have our locking tool in place. Lock the cam gear. You have them in place. We're gonna put our new timing gears on, called our actuators or phasers, and then we're gonna install them and put everything together. New, the phasers, cam phasers, ready, install, untie. Tensioner and new tensioner, chain, phasers. Now we're gonna put the timing tool, rotate the engine, and install the rest of the components on the engine.